I ran across a guy a couple of years ago who had a property to sell, but he didn't want to sell it because he didn't want to deal with the tax burden. It was he was gonna make a good big gain on his property, and he didn't want to have to pay that much money to the IRS. So he's like, look, I'm just gonna keep it. It was a multifamily investment property. What we talked about doing, and I was able to help solve his problem because he really didn't want it anymore. He wanted to sell it, but he didn't want to deal with that tax burden. What I did was I ended up buying it from him. But what we did is we did it on an installment loan. If he had gotten that big lump sum, it would have pushed him into a much higher tax bracket. Since we broke it down and I paid him a little bit down and then I pay him a little bit every month, he's making cash flow on that asset still. Even though he doesn't have investment property, he went from having 15, 16 tenants to having one tenant, me. Capital gains standpoint for him, that was a win because he has to pay just a little bit every year now in taxes, and it keeps him in that low tax bracket, and he gets income for it.